Hi everyone, I'm hoping this might be of interest to a few of you guys that have the HT12 Series 6 twin turbos. They're the carbon seal type as opposed to the new dynamic version. So this is still the FD3S but just the Series 6 before they changed. Thrust bearing is a little bit bigger compared to the dynamic type, so I'll just show you. So this is the bearing housing, one of our updated collars. So that goes in there. It's got more meat across here, across this section, so it holds more load. Thrust bearing sits in there like so. The other updated spacer, so that sits on there like so, and you use your existing collar because these are hard and they're not going to wear out very much at all. So that sits on there like that. So you've got your backing plate, this that sits in like that, all gets screwed down, and then that goes in there. So when it's all screwed down and whatnot, it's going to work really well. Got far more superior thrust loadings there, so you can have better durability and reliability, and just an update for customers that want a bit more peace of mind and to know that yes, you can get 360-degree thrust bearing system for these now, and I hope it helps. So look forward to hearing from you and saving your old turbos. Thanks guys.